In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Made in Framer badge on Framer website. If you've built a site in Framer and you're seeing the Made in Framer badge on the live version, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to upgrade the right place so the badge can be removed. The key idea is simple. The badge appears on free plans, and a paid subscription unlocks the ability to remove it for the specific project. Start by heading to Framer and signing into your account. From your dashboard, open the project for the website where the badge is showing. Make sure you're inside the correct project workspace, especially if you manage multiple sites, so the change applies to the right one. Once your project is open, look for the project settings. You'll typically find a settings icon or a settings label within the project interface. Click into settings from within the project itself, not just the global account settings. This is important because the plan that controls the badge is associated with the site or project you're working on. If you don't see project settings, you may need access from the site owner or an admin in your workspace. Inside settings, navigate to the plans section. This is where Framer shows available plan tiers and what each one includes. The plans area is sometimes labeled as billing or plans, depending on interface updates, but it's always the place that lists what's included with free versus paid options. You'll see which plan your project is currently on and what you can upgrade to. Select a subscription that includes removal of Framer branding. Any paid site plan is what enables you to remove the Made in Framer badge. Choose the billing cycle that works for you, review what's included, and complete the checkout. If you're part of a team, ensure you have permission to modify billing for this project, or ask a workspace admin to complete this step. After the upgrade processes, the project is now eligible to remove the badge. Framer handles this automatically as part of the plan, so you won't need to redesign anything. Give the system a moment to update, then view your site to confirm that the badge is no longer visible. If you still see it temporarily, clear your cache or view the live site in a private window while the change propagates. That's all there is to it. Go to your Framer projects, open settings, head to plans, and select the subscription that removes the badge. With that done, your site will look clean and professional without extra branding, so your own work stays front and center.